Nepal and India, disputes. The Indian government has often expressed displeasure at the warm relationship between Nepal and China, and at the Nepal government's inaction against anti-Indian elements. Many leaders and citizens in Nepal think that the Indian government interferes in its internal affairs. They think that India has eyes on Nepal's river waters and hydroelectricity. They think India prevents Nepal, a landlocked country, from getting easier access to the sea through the Indian territory. India-Sri Lanka, cooperation. India signed a free trade agreement with Sri Lanka, which strengthened relations between two countries. India's help in post-tsunami reconstruction in Sri Lanka has also brought the two countries closer. India-Sri Lanka, disputes. The difficulties in the relationship between the governments of India and Sri Lanka are mostly over ethnic conflict in the island nation. After the military intervention in 1987, the Indian government now prefers a policy of disengagement vis-a-vis Sri Lanka's internal troubles. India, Bhutan, cooperation. India enjoys a very special relationship with Bhutan. Bhutan has weeded out the guerrillas and militants of northeast India from its territory. India is involved in big hydroelectric projects in Bhutan. India is the biggest source of development aid for Bhutan. India-Maldives, cooperation. The MDP won the 2018 elections. India's ties with the Maldives remain warm and cordial. In November 1988, when some Tamil mercenaries from Sri Lanka attacked the Maldives, the Indian Air Force and Navy reacted quickly to the Maldives' request to help stop the invasion. India has also contributed to the island's economic development, tourism and fisheries. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. Established December 8, 1985. Member of SAARC, India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Afghanistan. Afghanistan became a member in 2005. The main objectives of SAFTA agreement. 1. Removal of barriers to free trade in South Asia region. 2. Lowering trade tariffs. Achievements of SAARC has taken an important step towards trade by the idea of SAFTA, cooperation in the areas of environment, economic development and energy etc. India and South Asia, India's role in South Asia region. 1. In the geography of South Asia, India is located in the middle and rest of the countries fall around the border of India. 2. Some of India's neighbors fear that SAFTA is a way for India to invade their markets. 3. Small countries fear that India wants to influence their societies and politics. 4. India believes that every county in this region will benefit from SAFTA. 5. India believes that cooperation on political issues will be better with the increase of free trade in this region. 6. India does not want instability in South Asian countries because such a situation will help outside forces to establish influence in this region. The role of China and America in the politics of South Asia. China and USA remains key players in South Asian politics. Sino-Indian relations have improved significantly in last 10 years. China's strategic partnership with Pakistan remains a major irritant for India. US has had good relations with India and Pakistan since the end of Cold War. The huge size of population and market of this region also give USA an added stake in the future of regional security and peace.